Hey guys, okay, so I got a 2011 here Highlander and a blower motor wasn't working. So when we took the blower motor out and tested it, it's over there on the bench, it was definitely bad. It burned up, it's barely moving. But what happened is it popped the fuse as well. And so we replaced the blower motor, but now we weren't getting any voltage to it. So we checked the fuse and it was bad. And so let me show you that fuse because it is a crazy one. You need to take the top of the fuse block off here, this cover here, then you pull this 10 millimeter, move this wire out of the way. This just, when you pull that 10, there's a clip right here. Pull that clip back and this just lifts right up and moves out of the way. Then take a screwdriver and pry here, pry here, pry here, pry here until this comes up. And if you look in this far corner one right here where my thumb is, that is your heater fuse. That is, I don't see it on here now, but it was a heater circuit fuse. And that's what popped. So if you're looking at it in this direction, it's this corner one right here. You can verify by just shining a light down in there and seeing if it's popped, because you can see that it's popped before you pull it out. So let me give you a number in case yours doesn't have it. It is 82620-48100, and we do have to get this from the dealership. Now, if you need to get by, you can slide this glass. Let me use my other hand here. Let me set this down. 1 second. So I'm just gonna pull the glass back. Let me get a little picky tool. Sorry, you're staring at a black screen. I'm back now. So this glass just slides out like that. I pried it back from this corner. It's a two-piece like that. It just slides out. Now what you could do is you could put a small solder right there. Now what you don't want to do is make the solder any thicker than the rest of these. You see how thin those are? You need to make sure that they're that thin so that you don't burn out the new blower motor or the wiring to it. But you can do that. And what I have done too is pried these over and just until they touch so that I can use it for a day or so, because the dealership normally don't stock these. It takes about a day to 2 days to get them in. So that's what we'll do so that she can have heat tonight, and then tomorrow we'll pop in another one. And she can use the car in the morning as well. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.